Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and I promise you I wasn't going to make any more videos on this. Within a knife maker, I actually did this for a knife maker, no, another knife maker, asked me if you engraved this on a handle, these would be recesses, and then these would be raised, and he was saying, how could you make it a reverse color? There's really no color to reverse because it's all white. But if we select all this, holding down the shift and double click your rectangle tool, you put a rectangle. Take your smart fill tool and the color fill is black and fill this in. Now for a split second, it's gonna look like it's gonna turn the whole thing black. But there's two layers on top, and then move the new layer down. This is a reverse image of that. Now these are gonna be not engraved, and this, if I understand what he's talking about, this is going to give his knife a little more grip. So then you would just take your, I know I'm not going to take the time to draw a knife shape. We'll play around a little bit, convert it to a curve, and let's just play around a little bit. Right click, turn them to curves, and let's say that's a knife handle. That's good enough for the video. And just place it in your pattern, and you can make it as smaller as you want, and then select everything and intersect. It cut that out and made an intersection. So now your knife handle, or this would work on a pistol grip. These lines are not going to engrave, so they're going to be risen or raised up. Let's take our yellow box trick. Go up to Object and Arrange and back a page. You can see that the black is going to be engraved. The yellow is not. So these are actually going to be ribs, and if you did it it would actually work the same as this, except for there's a lot more white than black. So these are going to be a thicker line. Anyway, I truly hope it helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.